He is internationally recognized for creating the first ever prostate and breast cancer cell lines derived from people of African descent, a groundbreaking scientific achievement with global impact. Her research has transformed how breast and prostate cancer can be studied and treated in Black populations, both in the Caribbean and internationally. But her journey began far from the lab. Born into a working-class Jamaican household, Simone Badal Mikreth was raised by a shopkeeper father. Her mother left the family when she was young, and her relationship with her stepmother was difficult. She grew up in a poor community where no one in her family had ever attended college. Her early education was marked by a lack of science teachers, limiting her exposure to the very field she would later revolutionize. At that stage, a career in scientific research felt distant, almost impossible. Everything changed at the University of the West Indies. Initially on the path toward medicine, Simone encountered a biochemistry professor whose lectures sparked something unexpected. "I remember falling in love with biochemistry right then and there," she recalls. Instead of practicing medicine, she made a bold decision to pursue scientific